Consumerism is the social and economic order that encourages the acquisition of goods and services in ever-increasing amounts. Let us break it down. At its core, consumerism revolves around the idea that increasing consumption is beneficial to the economy. In the United States, consumer spending makes up about 70% of the total economy, showing just how central it is to growth. Several factors drive this behavior, from targeted advertising to the easy availability of credit that allows people to buy things before they save. Distinguishing between needs and wants is the first step in managing your personal finances in a consumer-driven world. Historically, household spending has trended upward over the decades, reflecting both economic growth and shifting lifestyle expectations. Remember that every dollar you spend represents hours of your labor. Being intentional helps you align spending with your actual values. Understanding consumerism helps you make better decisions with your money. Subscribe for more basics and remember this is educational content, not financial advice.